In this video, we'll be covering the basics of label printing. So firstly, we'll come down to our reports page here on the left-hand side, and we're scrolling down until we reach item labels and order labels. So item labels are the labels that will go onto each of our actual individual meals, while order labels will be going onto your delivery bags. This is more useful for your delivery driver to see things such as the client's name, the client's address, and any basics like the delivery instructions. Whereas the item labels go into more detail about what actually is in that meal. So from the settings tab, we could choose if we want to display the nutrition, the macros, your logo, your website, your social media handle. So this is all optional to you to add whatever you want. Please note that if you add everything, it may be too much to fit on one label depending on the label size. So it's usually worth testing this out and limiting it to something that's reasonable and easy for the customer to read. You'll also notice that the labels are technically in beta. This is mostly due to the fact that there's just so many label printers and label sizes out there that it's very hard to have it perfect for everyone. However, we have it down where it's working perfectly for label dimensions of 4 inches by 2.33 inches. I've seen people use labels of 6 by 4, so most label sizes will work. The label printer we recommend is the Dymo 450 Turbo. If you're having a hard time getting your hands on that printer, most or just about any Dymo or brother label printer will work just fine. As long as it's compatible with your computer and you'll be able to pull it up in your print's preview, then you shouldn't have an issue here. And just to give you an example of what these labels would look like once you do choose a date and print them, this is an example for you here.